The Sharps flag is up. I'm gonna go ahead and respawn on the Sharps flag.
Just go to the NCOs. The NCO markers.
Please tell me we didn't just get wiped because we ran into them.
No.
Oh boy. Full kit, please.
Nobody's talking about flag trolls, but they're up in the field. Yeah, I think we got
Oh,
Colts in the field.
I had the flag,
Yeah.
but I got shot in the ass.
Yeah, that's alright. We can't
Yeah, we
sit
also
here and do
got
nothing.
people that don't know how to not fucking team kill.
I was trying to get downward, but they were like,
It's alright, boys. It's alright.
You know, some
But
people
I
are
helped somebody
stupid and
fix their
fucking
fucking
don't know
problem
what the
what they were
fuck
having.
to do.
I was
Like, stab your
I know we were
teammate.
asking sharpshooter. I asked where they were, and they said they didn't say anything, and then they said they
Make
got
sure you
charged.
get those
Yeah.
bayonets on.
And I'm like, well, that'd been good to know when you actually got charged. But it's alright.
Anybody sees frog fly, shoot him in the fucking head. Shoot who in the head?
All the fact is he did.
Boys, double time. We're going to the left-hand field. Left-hand field past the cornfield. Cornfield's dangerous. Left-hand field has our friendlies in there. So let's go, boys.
They chased me all the way down here. Well, two of them.
We're gonna sprint and make sure we get there.
And Book, make sure you get that bayonet on.
Where's my sharps at?
Bayonet now.
Hey Colt, I figure I'd come over here and let you know. You've got
Yeah, what's up?
two illiterate
I like your beard.
retards covering your flag over there. That's all that's over there, man.
Fuck yeah.
Okay,
You know
got
how
you,
many,
got you.
Got your
bitches
flag though.
get rabies
Okay,
from this
got you. Okay. Thank you for messaging me that. Boys, at the double. Oh no, I have my flag right here. Okay, Dr. Lively, yeah. Boys, move it at the double quick. We're moving left. Let's go.
Double quick, let's double quick. Company B, we're moving. Let's go, Company B.
Well,
23rd,
I don't know. Maybe we should move it right. I can't
Way
decide.
down south in the land of traitors, rattlesnakes and alligators. Right away, come away, right away, come away.
Nobody had a sprint. Move it up.
And in our chattels, Union boys will win the battle. Right away, come away, right away, come away. We'll all go down to Dixie.
Away. The Dixie boys must understand that he must find his uncle's son. Away. We'll all go down to Dixie. Away. We'll all go down to Dixie. Let's go, boys! On the double, let's go.
I wish I was in Baltimore.
The Baltimore,
Make
right
secession
there,
free.
teammates, and the war away. Up and over.
I'll bet my boots will whip them out. Right away, come away, right away.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Company B.
Gentlemen, on the fucking fence! On the fence! Aiming to the south!
To the right. Go kill him to the right. Kill him to the right. Kill him to the right. Nice. Keep firing. Charge him out, boys. Keep charging him out. Boys, about face. Kill behind us. Kill these guys behind us. Yeah, okay, there we go. Good job, boys. Good job. Get this flag up. Keep moving to the right. On my lines. Keep moving up. Keep moving up, boys. Keep moving up. Let's go. Move it up. Kill that guy. Keep moving, boys. Keep moving up. Boys, about face, pull back. Get this flag up. About face, pull back. Get this flag up. Get that flag up.
You ain't taking that flag up. You ain't taking that flag up, boy. You ain't taking that fucking flag.
Hey, flag, turn around. We won.
Reloads bayonets, boys. Reloads bayonets. I actually didn't go too terribly. I mean, it was pretty good for our tickets. I'm not gonna complain. Reloads bayonets.
Big Mac's got a flag.
Company reloads bayonets. Check when ready.
Here he is.
There we go. Nice. Good job getting the flag out. Thank you. Company, at a sprint, move it left. Let's go.
Let's go, boys.
Move up, boys. Move up at a sprint. Keep moving. Move it left. Move it left. On these rocks, independent fire. On this line, independent fire, right here. Lay into them over here, on this line. Move it left, independent fire, light these guys up. Garrison these rocks, independent fire. Keep fire. I think those are friendlies. Keep fire over here, boys. Keep fire.
Keep fire, west.
You got enemy over here. You got enemy over here as well. Independent fire. Light those guys up on the left. Company, keep on these guys over here. Keep fire on my lines.
Keep firing, hold the line. Hold the line, boys, hold the line.
Keep firing. Let's reduce this guy.
Huzzah. Did we charge in at them?
Wait for the commander. Where's the flag? Is the flag up?
Alright, boys. Boys, over here, down here, real quick, get your loads over here. Get down, over here, quickly, over here. Reloads, bayonets down here. Reloads, bayonets.
Check when ready.
On the line.
Copy, check when ready.
Check.
Copy,
on the
prepare to
left.
push up.
Friendly's pushing on the left.
Prepare to push up.
Copy. Boys, at a sprint, move it left, let's go.
Left.
Move left, sprint left. Move it left. Let's go. Move it up, boys. On this line.
Yeah,
Light
you
these
need
guys
60.
up. Independent fire, light them up over here. Let's go. Light these guys up. Get this flag up. Press F on it. Press F on this flag, please. Get this flag up. Press F on it.
Charge the point! Charge the point! Charge the point! Everyone, charge the point! It's in there, charge! Let's go!
No, okay.
Oh, good lord.
Boys, we gotta hold this ground here.
Catch a break.
We gotta hold this ground here, boys. Pull the cannons back.
Good job, J Money. I already see you. Good shit.
Noodle.
You guys
Good
have
job,
sick.
Hoisier. Danny
Half
Boy.
our team is nearly
job.
better educated than the basics. Really quick.
No, we got a couple
Get on the
guys.
wheel and...
Allow me to do that.
I'm ready. I'm
Help them out,
ready.
okay, guys?
I'm ready.
Wisely, and help out Danny Boy. Or pull that other
Hello?
cannon back.
Mic check.
I'm ready.
Mic check.
Reloads, bayonets, boys. Reloads, bayonets.
Can
you
one
do
hand
always
right
get
now?
next.
on a rock, buddy.
Alright, Noodle.
Who do you
Hey,
think
I'm gonna
you
get on
are,
the rock
Noodle?
on the left. Noodle, can you watch kind of like the middle
Free Willy!
of the forest? Can you kind of play the middle? I'm gonna be on the rock on the left,
Get
okay?
off.
Guarding the left flank.
This is my rock. Pipsqueak.
Company,
Get out of
company
here.
B, let's move it out. Let's go.
No.
Noodle, where
Yeah, well, I claim it now. I colonize the rock. Yeah, see, it's my rock.
Hey, Thomas, can you hold with me on the left? Can you hold
Yo,
with me?
what the fuck?
I can't move. Okay.
Absolutely. Alright, company B.
Alright, 89th, New York Company A. We're gonna push the guys to the east. Southeast, let's go. Double time, double time.
Santa hats.
Double time, let's go. We're going to Noodle and his company. Let's go, boys. Push this way.
Almost there. You're doing a fine job. Keep up the good work. We're almost there.
Going.
Property in Egypt.
Let's stay here. If they want to show up for Artie, we're gonna protect the Artie bush. This is our main job here.
I don't mention to the left. We're going to the left.
And when I
base
bought the
line.
property,
Hey, friend, stay close.
buy
Stay
property in Egypt, they give
Commander,
you the
stay
property.
close, but let's not get
The line,
mixed.
pushing north. Boy. Noodle, I'm sticking with you. We're sticking with you.
Reload.
Friends, stay close, but don't
Flag,
get
get
mixed.
behind
Let's
us,
not
Dylan.
get
Get
mixed
behind
in
us.
companies.
I understand. Alright.
Let me
89th
take the
New
right
York
side of the
Company-
stumble so we
89th
everyone
New York
knows
Company
who
A.
to
We're
listen.
not
We'll
gonna
be on
mix
the
them up, we're
follow.
gonna stay behind, right, boys?
we be on the right side of the stumble, boys.
Moving over, boys. Shift right.
Gentlemen, press D and find your star. That's how you know who your commander is.
Shit.
That's
Hold fire.
that's
Hold
is
fire.
that them?
That's a Rambo.
Rambos, independent fire. You're afraid of fire, boys. You see someone,
There's one.
shoot it.
He's up there behind the wagon wheels.
Confederate,
Just shoot him here.
Got Confederate
Get to the right, get to the right, boys,
right.
get to the right. Form the line, boys, form the line, form the line. We got Confederates. Independent fire, boys, independent fire. Keep it tight, gentlemen, keep it tight.
Our flag is down, boys. Please. Thank you. Thank you.
Spread out, boys. Spread out, but not too far. Keep it on the line.
Get those reloads, get go steady fire.
Keep it a steady fire, boys. Let's go.
So here's a new plan, Commander. I'm gonna get my men to the left side because there's a lot of fight, a lot of gunshots happening to the left.
Yep.
I'm gonna go to the left and I want you to stay with the artillery.
Alright, boys.
Alright,
Boys,
you
artillery.
can also type in check. So,
I understand.
on the left wing.
Alright, boys. We're defending artillery. Hold the position for right now. Hold this position. We got guys in the woods. We have to defend them off. We have to defend them off. Boys, once
Noodle right there.
I don't just take the rocket and put a fire. Whatever you see at that big smoke is enemy. What you see is enemy. Get under.
Shoot down to the right, down to the right. Fire is friendly.
Right smoke, not the left smoke, the right smoke. They're already pushing up on us. Hold. Looking, boys. Flag, get ready to move. Flag, get ready to move. You know what to do. West northwest, right in front of us, boys. They're pushing on us. Shit. They're pushing on us, boys. Brace. Hold the rock. I'm here with you. Don't worry. Commander is here. Which for your facing, soldier? You gotta face left.
Look, west. Watch the west. Company, look west.
Watch left, they're close left.
That's a friendly.
That's friendly. I mean, that was friendly. Did you press that button? Friend, why did you kill him? Someone pick up this flag, please. We need this flag up. Our flag. We need this flag. Thank you, friend. And staying close. Hey, friend, what are you doing? Guys, there's some fire up on the right. Be careful. Rich, independent.
Shoot him, boys. They're right there. They're right there. They too close. Guys, pull back, pull back. Everyone pull back. Everyone pull back. There's our top face on your commander.
Jesus Christ, that's why you don't fucking team kill me.
Oh yeah, boys!
You get a stab, I get a stab. You get a stab. Everybody gets a stab. Everybody gets a stab.
We got this, boys. We're holding
Come
them
here,
back.
bastard. Oh, I stabbed him.
Gets a stab.
Someone grab this flag.
Oh, wow.
Nice
I got
work,
it.
boys. Nice work. Reform.
I'm noble.
Your company.
I can't pick it up.
That was actually pretty damn good.
Left? Left? Oh, I see.
Oh, but left flank is collapsed.
They're coming over
Company.
here. Coming over to the right.
Take some cover, boys. Left face, skirmish order. Prepare brakes.
Oh, I died. Good work.
You don't got time to reload.
Company, good
Get
work.
your bayonets ready.
They're charging us. They're charging us.
Alright, boys, get your bayonets ready. Get your bayonets ready, boys.
They were. I killed their officer. They're right
my
there,
God,
guys. They're
that's a
right in
whole
front of
bunch
us.
of them.
They're right in
Holy
front
shit,
of
Your
us.
company A.
guys. Gotta get your bayonets. Oh, sorry, sir.
New York Company A, New York Company A. Fall back to these rocks.
I think we should fall back. There's like
Fall
two
back to the
companies
rocks.
coming
Fall
over
back to the
here.
rocks. Fall back to the rocks.
Boys, stay on these rocks.
Hey, wait a minute.
Flag, move. Out of here.
Where's their officer? Where's their officer?
They're
Guys,
charging.
brace, brace. The charge. Flex with me. Flex, stay back.
They're charging behind us. They're charging us behind.
Turn around. Tony, turn around.
Fight to the end.
Oh, wait, don't stab me yet. I gotta reload.
Focus, gentlemen. We did what we could do. I mean, we gave our best. We held one way while we couldn't the other one, but it's alright. You guys did great.
I took 4 of them out with me.
Nice. Nice one, boys.
Okay.
We held one way, but we couldn't hold the other one, but it's alright. Because the other company to our left couldn't hold themselves back and they got wiped, and we received no help from them, so that was the kind of main problem with that charge, with that maneuver.
Okay, here's what I noticed was a lot of you guys did not have bayonets and they just walked right over you. Try to get the bayonets on first.
You have to hit B to get your bayonet on. That's how you defend yourself in close combat melee fight.
Yep.
Then you hit B to use it.
We got somewhat.
So since we lost the flags, we need to keep our distance high
Yes,
and long
we do.
and do some independent fire until we get the flags back in spot. So that's what
Do we want to
I'm
push
gonna
right
do.
or push left? Push right or
I
push
think
left?
we should
Maybe
push
look at the
left because
woodline.
that's where we
Yes,
get
yes.
cover from the woods.
You guys get moving. You guys get moving. We'll stay behind.
New York Company on me. Let's keep it moving now.
New York.
Hey, nice. New York Company A. We're moving, boys. We're moving. We're moving.
Ah, yes, Noodle. Another fine day of training raw recruits.
It's alright. It's alright. I guess we're having much more fun with new players.
That is true.
Boys, northwest. Make sure your bayonets and your reloads on. Can't afford not to put bayonets because when they charge, we need to be on bayonet. The clubs take about 4 or 5 hits to kill.
Once again, shouting the battle cry of freedom. We will rally from the hillside, we'll gather from the plain, shouting the battle cry of freedom. The Union forever,
89th New York Company A on the left. 89th New York Company A on the left.
And also this goes to the spot. And people.
Keep up the fire, I'm still here. I haven't died once.
You guys are aiming at northwest, right? Don't kill any friendlies.
Okay, check to load it. Check to load. We're gonna do a volley.
York A company, take A. Check and move, gentlemen. You're aiming down this line.
Take aim, boys. Take aim.
We will rally from the hillside.
Fire, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys.
What? They charged up? Oh, you will? Friend, you got my flag.
They will.
Oh, they will? Then that's what we want. Let them charge. We're strong. We got two companies together. Fine.
They're moving a little bit to the north, northeast.
Aim, alright. Steady, steady, steady. You guys know what to do when they charge? B. If you haven't.
Yo, they're moving northwest. They're gonna flank us.
Lots of
They're
smoke
gonna
west.
Alright. They left, company, shift left, shift left, shift left, move left,
Okay, shift this left. Oh my god, the two are left. I'm still alive. I'll always be around. Oh my god, we got a flag now. Thank god. Let's move it to the ticket. Let's go to the right. Let's get out of here. Come on. We got a flag.
B, right face. Press T, call your stock. Let's pick one.
Ship right. Hit our regular ship right.
We're shifting right, boys. We're shifting right.
Gotta keep the flag safe.
Right, boys. Let's go. We're shifting right.
If we get charged, I'll try to keep them
It's all good, friend. It's all good.
So they might come in behind us. We gotta be careful.
But now, as long as we
No,
keep
they're not coming
speed,
behind us eventually.
at the speed, run it, run it, run it.
Flag down.
Two to our
Run,
left.
sprint.
Sprint.
Come with us, friends.
Sprint, boys. Sprint.
Go. Do not stop.
Be a second defensive perimeter.
Over the wall. Once we get down there,
I wish I was in Baltimore. I'd make secession.
Are they? Guys, hold this line. Get down here. Hold this line, boys. Take this normal and hold the.
I'm away. Right away.
I'm away. We'll all go down to Dixie. Away.
Everyone get on the slide and defend yourself. Face left side, guys. Face the boots. Face the forest. Face the forest. Don't face this way. Those are friendlies. Those are friendlies. Those are friendlies. Those are friendlies behind us.
Northeast is friendly.
From the left, boys.
Other way.
Left side.
Look left. No. Wrong. No.
South side.
No. Wrong way.
Guys, look left.
No,
Guys,
turn
look
around.
left.
Stop the music.
Left.
Stop the
Left.
Form a line.
Left, left, behind us,
What the hell is going on?
Follow me this way.
Brace left.
Flags back.
B boys, B. Wait them out.
Guys, get our flag up. Good job. South Carolina boys. Good job, boys. Over here. Right here, boys. Charge them out. Guys, counter charge these guys right here.
Good.
Dude, I swear to fucking God.
Okay, you guys need to
Slim Jim.
Well, that wasn't very nice.
I was yelling to you guys, left. I don't know how many times. You guys keep looking to the right side.
It's
the
because
friendlies.
everyone was still reloading. They don't know how to break reloads.
Oh, you gotta hit R when I say you to do something.
Don't expect.
Recruit Red, shut the fuck up.
I say we let the
I know, you're right. They don't do this then.
And
Alright,
let's
reload.
go invade Mexico.
Here your reloads, bandits.
Alright, New York. Okay, let's move. Let's move now.
Okay, I say, hey. Over here, everyone from Union, over here. Everyone fucking Union. Everyone from the fucking Union, guys. Group up for a second. We can win this. Pull back. Regroup. Over here.
Who's this? What do you want?
Bro, stop
Okay,
saying
noodle.
everyone from the fucking
Alright,
union.
what's the
Stop
plan? What's the
fucking
plan?
saying that.
Why are
Alright,
you so
whatever.
mad? man?
Anyways. Okay, so
Yeah, we're
let's
listening.
actually group up on this. Let's actually group up. We can move in from the forest.
Yo, I'm being team
right?
killed.
Let's just a bowling ball it.
Yeah, you
Let's-
deserve it,
They're
man.
probably camping flags, right? They're probably camping flags over there. So we can take some good positions on the left.
You stabbed me. You
over,
stabbed me.
over there. But we have to bowling ball it. We have to hit them.
Alright, let's do it that way, but let's not use the left
Okay.
side. We
At
tried
the-
it plenty of times and it never worked.
Listen,
Let's do
if
it
we
from
go
this
right,
side.
if they go right, they're camping flags. They're gonna shoot us down if we go right. Let's just bowling ball it and hit them on the left in the woods where they where we can get up
But
close.
they will see our move. They're not that stupid. They're gonna
We just
see
hit
it.
them. We just hit them. They won't be able to reinforce fast enough.
Alright, lead the way. I'll meet
Double
you.
quick,
I'm
boys.
at
Like
we are hitting you.
T-Rexes if they
Come on.
we do not
Alright,
lose.
everybody,
they will not
let's
see
go.
us.
Alright, to the left, boys. Add a sprint.
Somebody beat. Let's go.
Oh, he died.
Move it left, guys. Move it left.
They're down the road.
Company, move it left. Bank left
This is it,
over here.
lads. Give this left.
Colt, we can try my country.
My wife, I got through all the Cheeto bags in the pantry.
Stuff, but I mean, we live in the trust. There's a lot of people pulling back the camp. We just didn't get the. We got
Yeah.
Fucking bandits and go, boys. No time to reload.
I'm gonna reload my.
This match is over. You guys are acting like there's a fucking chance.
Yeah. Good game. Now, if you want to kill me, you can.
Yeah, I usually go on pubs for practice for events.
Get him. Yeah!
Fucking cocksuckers.
Oh, he's down!
I like ice cream.
Okay, reload bayonets, guys. Reload bayonets.
Alright, we're winning this one, alright? Let's win this one. Forget about
Yeah, let's win this one.
Alright guys, you know what the plan is. Reloads and bayonets.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win big. Bigger than ever before. So big that we're gonna have to change the name to the Gulf of Mexico to fit all the winning that we're gonna do it.
B for bayonets.
Hey, I'm gonna play the middle. Can you play left, Casablanca?
In the woods?
Yeah.
Yes. The CSA is all probably gonna go left into the woods, but sure.
Yeah, I'll back you up. I'm gonna hold the middle to hold the flank. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Noodle. Can
move out.
Bayonet inspection. Bayonet inspection.
Can you hold the
Oh,
left?
you're missing a bayonet. Oh, no, you do. I'm sorry.
Alrighty. 51st Pennsylvania Company A, move out on me double quick into the woods west. Let's go, boys.
Make sure you click your bayonet, soldier.
Okay, boys, we're gonna hold on this fence. Hold here. Hold. Actually, let's hold a little bit forward. Let's hold a little bit forward over here, boys.
On this line, gentlemen. Facing, facing northeast. Hold this line. Also kneel. Kneel, friends. There is no one to shoot here. They are on their way up here, but they're not here yet.
Alright,
so
gentlemen, on this line, hold it right now. Here on this line, face it north.
let's stay here, other commanders, and let them keep the point. Alright? There's
Enemy
no
contact,
meaning of
northeast.
defending the point.
Get control. Stay kneeled.
They're all going up the wall.
We are
Great,
gonna
that's what we
all
want.
march to the capital.
Friend, I'm gonna get my men into corn to hit them on the flank, alright? Company about face. On me, let's go, we're moving out. If you understand, so you don't get lost.
Independent fire or what?
Alright, gentlemen, 51st Company A, move it up on me on this new line. Independent fire on that stone wall, boys. Independent fire on that stone wall. Light them up. Down that line. You can see their flag.
Did you find the gold?
51st Pennsylvania Company A, break reloads, pull back on me. Pull it back, pull it back. Get out of this engagement. We're not winning.
Come on, boys, get out of here. Tap those R buttons.
On this line, behind the logs, boys. On this line, behind the logs.
Behind the Lincoln box, eh?
Just move forward on me, move forward, move forward. Hold this line, hold this line, hold this line, hold this line, hold this line.
Hold your fire. Hold your fire for right now, boys. Get reloads and bayonets if you don't have them.
Can't see this lids.
Rebels are charging, sir. Heads up.
Alright, gentlemen, move it up to this new line. Independent fire on them, boys. They're right there. Shoot them up, shoot them up. Aim low.
Oh dear.
Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Gentlemen, pull it back.
Go around. Keep coming, boys.
You need to send your men. I have sent my men in there. They need your help.
Come on, laddies, let's shoot.
CSA is charging this whole
I
thing
will
down.
protect you.
Let's get out of here. Let's keep on. Let's go into the right.
Yeah, boys, pull
Hello.
it back.
I have no men, so I can't do anything really. J Money, let's just see if we can swing this further right. Yeah, yo, awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Follow my voice. Follow my voice. I'm in CO now. Follow me. Follow
Gentlemen,
me.
hold this line for right now.
If our men are still here, he's gonna get killed.
God no shall step in me.
You gotta.
I don't know what we're doing here.
Yeah, it's... Like, I could feel for the officers, you know. They make plans, but if half the soldiers are running around, it's kind of hard.
Alright, it looks like we're gonna fall back from here and go back to the woods. Gentlemen, with me.
Off face. Oh my god, Noodles Company is like...
Alright, gentlemen, up and over in up this fence.
Oh. Poor Noodle. Poor Noodle.
Rush into the woods, rush into the woods.
But left side. Go stand on the left side of the camp. Right.
Hold it on this line.
Catch up. Yep. Follow me. Follow Tucky.
I got shot from right here.
Shit, I'm out that way.
There's spawn camping.
Alright, gentlemen, move it up, move it up, move it up. Let's go, boys, move it up.
Moving up.
These rocks, independent firefighting.
Spread out, guys. More guns on the line.
Please.
Guys, what is this? What is this, Union? Give me a line, fucking losers. This is not how we're supposed to look. Fucking cowards, stop hiding behind the racking. Be a man and get on this line.
It was a line, it turned into a mess.
51st Pennsylvania A, hold up this rocks, boys. Keep the shooting.
They're coming. They're moving up. They're moving up on the right.
They're moving up on us, boys. They're on the road, boys. They're on the road. They're on the slight better fire. Easy shots.
Independent fire. Put them up down the road, boys.
Keep it up, company B. They're making a big mistake by standing in the open.
I'm scared.
Girl, I'm gonna die.
Noodle, where's Cole and the other officer? Where are they?
They took their group to the right side. They're playing the cornfield.
We're dying, boys. We should give up. Surrender.
Guys, get a line. We're still not all.
Give up. Give up my ass, you coward. We're not giving up.
Nobody gives up.
See the smoke.
You ain't dying. Let's shoot him, Terry.
Guys, hold fire. Hold fire. We made him move back. B company, fire.
We're gonna die.
Company. You guys set. Company at the ready.
Hold your fire, goddammit.
Aim, boys. Aim down the line, boys. Aim down the line.
Fire, 51st
Steady,
A.
boys.
Steady.
Fire.
Low. If you did not fire, hold your shot. Military, stop shooting. We're doing volley fire. Hold your fire.
They're coming up the road again. Flag and corn or something like that.
Company B, check when you're ready. Company B.
B company. Once you're ready,
they're in the corn. They're in the corn.
Your commander, boom.
Company B, advance. Company B, advance. Where's your reload?
Company B, take this line.
51st A, hold your fire. We're going to be advancing with this company here very soon.
I think they're.
Gentlemen,
I think there's an
51st A,
enemy
move it
unit
up.
in the corn.
Aim smoke, aim low. That's where they are.
Alright, the gentlemen form it on this line, like this, facing north.
All your reloads. Check when ready.
Please don't premature
Guys,
fire.
whenever the officer
Fucks up our shot.
and the NCO say steady.
Alright, gentlemen, 51st A, move it up to this new line, move it up further, onto this line. You can see them down the road, gentlemen. Shoot them up, independent fire.
Check.
Hold fire, ready, boys. Take aim.
Hold your fire.
Take aim. Steady. Fire. Once already. Hold fire at once.
They're moving around
Keep packing down heat on those boys on the road.
Come on, boys. Aim for their knees.
Coming up over the wall.
Alright, gentlemen, they moved position. They're now down that line, boys.
Shit, there is.
Oh, okay, you know what? 51st A, pull it back, boys. Break reloads, press R, pull it back.
Reloads, tap those arms. Tap the arms.
This is very firm. Just stay on the right side of the line. The left side is out of bounds. Left side is out of bounds. Stay on the right side.
Gentlemen, on this line, boys, on this line. Hold it here.
Yes, but out of the right. You're gonna win this game, alright? Don't lose your help.
We're gonna win, but I'm gonna fucking die.
You guys set to go? You guys ready for the next volley fire? If so, get on this line, gentlemen. Get on this line with the men of the unit. Let's show them. Let's show them how big we are. Take it aim. Steady.
Alright, gentlemen, pull it up on me, gentlemen. Take aim, boys. Take aim. Down the road. Onto that stone wall, boys. Take aim. Take aim, boys. Down that road to the line. Steady. steady, fire. Reload, reload. Checks when ready, checks when ready. Check. Gentlemen, same place, gentlemen. Aim low. You can see them on that stone wall. Take aim. Steady, steady. Fire.
There you go.
That man just got shot by like 30 bullets.
He got annihilated.
Noodle.
Check.
Check. Gentlemen, take aim, boys. Same place. They're still there. Take aim. Steady, steady. Fire. Any NCOs want to call volleys? Anyone? Actually, I don't try NCOs. Alright. Gentlemen, down that way, past those bushes, if you can kind of see where that smoke's coming from, gentlemen, take aim. Actually, no, on the road. Take aim, boys, on the road. Steady, steady, fire.
Ooh, their tickets dropped a lot. Good.
Alright, gentlemen, hold your shots. We're going to be moving out here pretty soon. Check. Alright, gentlemen, move it out on me. We're going into the core. Into the core.
To the core.
Shit. He's good. He's good. We can't see it all. This might not be the best place.
Guys, here's the new plan. We're gonna hop the fence.
Gentlemen, on this line,
We're gonna
face it north. Bayonet south. Press V.
We're gonna push up along the fence line. Hit T. Don't get the Commander, let's go.
Alright, gentlemen, at the double quick, on me, boys. Follow me. Press T. Follow your star. Let's go.
Press V. Press V.
Yeah, same too. I'll come with you.
V for violence, boys. V for violence.
I have a very sexy voice. What am I gonna say?
You have a very nice ass, sir.
You may touch it, friend. You may touch it.
You're up there on your left.
Honor, sir.
Gentlemen, on the snake fence, independent fire, boys.
I'm coming to fucking kill you, Billy Yank. Come get your fucking flag. Hey! He's wearing a stupid hat.
Hold fire.
Yep.
Canister.
Wait. Waiting.
Let me. You want me to do out there?
Waiting.
I don't care. Let me do it.
All right. Fire.
Clear.
Only one TK.
Surprising. Looks like they're retreating.
Canisters in.
Aim back for the woods across the street.
Charge, boys.
I've killed poor Hooser like 3 times.
It's one of the best maps for cancer, I'm gonna be honest here.
Yep. That poor man. He's a nice guy. I just keep on fucking murdering him.
Alright guys, aim for the bushes next to the road on the left side, or aim for the tree at the end.
You're gonna have to get off, Joe. Yeah, because you're on it, I won't let me go past it.
Alright, fire
rotate it.
as soon as there's clear.
Rotate
Damn. These guys
my way.
fucking killing me with this fucking running across the road
I'm
shit.
gonna run a little back, see if you can get a little bit more.
Like a bunch of dumb animals crossing the street when there's heavy traffic coming through.
I don't know.
The tail spike impaled by dick or something.
Oh, you were holding. Oh, if you were holding the tail
Other
spike
side,
and somebody
RPD.
fires it, it kills you.
You gotta be on this side.
Standing behind the gun.
Rebels moving
my
up to the
God,
left
okay,
side
well.
in the woods.
It's all good. It was hilarious. I just feel bad because I didn't want you to get number 2 kill.
Dude, I feel so bad. I keep
They're
on
in the
accidentally
bushes.
killing you. And I don't know how I do it. That's generally in their direction.
Hey, last match was funny. This match, I don't even know what happened.
Oh, no, they're way farther left. Okay, well, hold on.
Yeah, they're in the woods. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be mostly getting a tree, so we're gonna try and
Say you turn this thing left.
somewhere. There's somewhere over there. Pretty far away. We'll do it like this. And can somebody grab me a shell for that?
This is good.
Alright, we're gonna see what I can do.
I'll use this as a little bit of a watchtower.
Can I grab a shell, please?